exploring the art of color juxtaposition in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a visually striking concept not just in art but also in language: color juxtaposition. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations and writings. So, let's get started and unravel the beauty of color juxtaposition together. Color juxtaposition refers to the practice of placing colors close to each other in a way that makes them stand out and highlights their differences or similarities. This technique is widely used in various fields such as art, design, fashion, and even in everyday life to create visually compelling and meaningful compositions. The key here is the contrast and interaction between colors, which can evoke different emotions, convey messages, or simply draw attention to a particular element. Understanding and using color juxtaposition can greatly enhance your ability to communicate visually. In art, it can help to create depth, balance, and focus. In fashion, it can make an outfit pop or convey a certain mood. In everyday life, it influences everything from the design of a room to the presentation of food. By mastering this concept, you'll start to see the world around you in a new light, noticing how colors interact and affect each other and what that interaction means in different contexts. Let's look at some examples to better understand color juxtaposition. In art, a painting might use bright yellow next to a dark blue to create a vivid contrast that draws the eye. In fashion, a red dress worn with green accessories during the holiday season for a festive look, using complementary colors to stand out. In everyday life, a garden designed with alternating colors of flowers to enhance the visual appeal and guide the viewer's gaze through the space. When discussing color juxtaposition in English, you can use it to describe anything from a piece of art to someone's outfit or even a sunset. Phrases like, "The artist used color juxtaposition to highlight the emotion in the scene," or, "The vivid juxtaposition of colors in her dress caught everyone's eye," beautifully incorporate this concept into language, allowing you to communicate more vividly and precisely. And that's a wrap on color juxtaposition. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful concept for you and inspired you to notice and use color juxtaposition in your own life. Whether you're describing a masterpiece, putting together the perfect outfit, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature, understanding color juxtaposition can add depth and vibrancy to your experiences and expressions. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep exploring the wonderful world of English with us. See you in the next video.